This is how you're going to use Quick Text in Salesforce. In Salesforce, you're going to have to log in or sign up to your account first. And then once you are in your dashboard, you're going to head over to this left side panel. You're going to click on Service right here. And then from there, we're going to click on the Quick Text tab. From the Quick Text tab, we're just going to click on Create a Quick Text, and then we're going to enter a Quick Text name. So for example, I'm just going to name this Lucy Message. And then from there, we're just going to insert a merge field. So you can toggle this on. You're going to choose which this one is related to, whether it is related to account, case, contact, user. So I'm just going to choose contact for this one. We're going to choose the field. So I'm just going to enter the birth date, and then I'm going to insert this one. And then from there, we're going to choose a folder. So you're going to choose which folder you want to put this into. So for this one, going to create a new folder. I'm just going to label this one Lucy, and then I'm going to add a unique name, and then going to click on save. After that, I'm going to select this folder, and then we can set the category. So it could be greetings, frequently asked questions, closings, or whatever. I'm going to set this as greetings, and then from there we can set the available tab as well as the selected tabs. And then after that, you're just going to click on save, or if you want to immediately use this quick text, you can just click on save and new. If you want to preview this first before hitting on save, we can just click on preview right here, and once we hit on save, it will be created already as a quick text. And that's it. That is how you're going to use quick text in Salesforce. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.